Hi, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this XSense model SC07 combination smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector. I wanted to tell you why I got this. You can hear it right now. It's my fire alarms. The batteries constantly die. I feel like I'm replacing them every other month. It's so frustrating. So I got this one. This one has a 10-year lifetime internally installed battery. I just can't wait to be able to actually install this and not have to worry about this for the next 5 to 10 years. Even if I get 5 years out of it, I will be so happy. And the reviews speak for themselves, guys. They really do. So just take this. I'll have to get that off later. It's just a little piece. I'll have to take the clear protective covering. But they're very simple. I already installed one. I got 3 more to go. And all you do is to turn it on right here, on-off switch, turn it on. It's on. And then I'm not going to do it. What it's going to do now, it just goes through its startup phase, and then it'll go and read your carbon monoxide levels. It has a display right here, but you can test it just by pressing this to make sure it works. All right. Very slick design. Here's your ppm right here, and there's your battery life. And I'm putting these in my garage, but I would absolutely put these in my house. They look very nice, very modern looking. All right, that's going to do it, and hope you enjoy it.